Hello everyone, this webinar is part of the HealthierUS School Challenge Smarter Lunchrooms Initiative mini webinar series and is brought to you by Action for Healthy Kids. This mini webinar will focus on providing an overview of team nutrition and how it is incorporated into the HealthierUS School Challenge. My name is Jocelyn Toney and I am the Illinois Field Assistant for Action for Healthy Kids. So let's get started. First, I'd like to give you a little background on Action for Healthy Kids. Action for Healthy Kids fights childhood obesity, undernourishment, and physical inactivity by helping schools become healthier places. We are moms, dads, teachers, students, school and community leaders, and school wellness experts who have banded together to create healthier learning environments for our children. We believe that everyone has a part to play in ending the nation's childhood obesity epidemic. Our programs, tools, and resources make that possible. We were founded in 2002 by former Surgeon General David Thatcher. Today we have more than 80,000 members. We also partner with dozens of professional associations, government agencies, and corporations at the national and local level. This presentation is part of the Action for Healthy Kids HealthierUS School Challenge Smarter Lunchroom Initiative mini webinar series. The HealthierUS School Challenge Smarter Lunchrooms Initiative is a great opportunity to help your school receive recognition for and sustain your health and wellness initiatives. We have developed this series to provide school administrators, teachers, nurses, food service managers, parents, and school wellness advocates with the tools and knowledge you'll need to successfully submit an application. On your screen, you'll see the topics that are covered in the series. They've been divided into 9 separate mini webinars, which can be found at our YouTube channel, Action for Healthy Kids. Each mini webinar presentation can be viewed in about 10 to 12 minutes. And today's presentation is focused on team nutrition. To begin, all schools must be enrolled in Team Nutrition to be eligible to apply for the HealthierUS School Challenge Smarter Lunchrooms. Let's talk about first what Team Nutrition encompasses. Team Nutrition is an integrated behavioral-based comprehensive plan for promoting nutrition among children. This plan involves students, parents, and the community in efforts to continuously improve school meals and to promote the health and education of 50 million school children nationwide. The goal of Team Nutrition is to improve children's lifelong eating and physical activity habits by using the principles of the Dietary Guidelines for Americans and MyPlate. Schools that are enrolled in Team Nutrition receive training and technical assistance for healthy meals, nutrition education resources, school and community support, and then links to partner and supporters. The HealthierUS School Challenge Smarter Lunchrooms was born out of the Team Nutrition Initiative to encourage and bring to the forefront the outstanding efforts of schools across the country that are creating and sustaining a healthy school environment. Team Nutrition provides materials for schools to help meet the nutrition education requirements. As we've mentioned, for all grade levels, nutrition education should be offered through multiple channels. While the HealthierUS School Challenge Smarter Lunchrooms identifies the classroom, the cafeteria, and the home as 3 primary channels to communicate nutrition education, there are a variety of other communication channels that can be utilized to ensure the message gets across to our students and their families. So on the slide, you'll see just a few examples of the various ways kids receive messages about food and physical activity. And what we know is that utilizing multiple channels of communication can increase the number of times and ways children receive nutrition messages. Ultimately, the more times kids hear these messages, the more likely they are to act upon these messages. So this is just something to keep in mind as you evaluate your school or district's current nutrition education efforts. Let's first talk about the resources available for elementary schools. Team Nutrition offers a free curriculum called Serving Up My Plate, which is a collection of classroom materials that helps elementary school teachers integrate nutrition education into core subjects like math, science, language arts, and health. This curriculum introduces the importance of eating from all 5 food groups using the My Plate icon and a variety of hands-on activities. Students also learn the importance of physical activity to staying healthy. For middle schools, the resource Healthier Middle Schools Everyone Can Help is a collection of communication tools that speaks to parents, teachers, principals, food service managers, and students about healthy eating and physical activity at school. There's a video and color handout for each audience. These resources help schools bring everyone together to promote student wellness and prevent childhood obesity, and the tools are custom made for each audience. They also include calls to action that are specific to each audience's perceived barriers to involvement, motivators, and preferred ways of receiving information. High schools are not required to use Team Nutrition resources. However, if you're looking for a structured and systematic unit of instruction for your 2 high school courses, take a look at Super Tracker High School Lesson Plans offered by the USDA. You can also access these resources, curriculum materials, as well as posters through the resource library at teamnutrition.usda.gov, which is shown on your screen. After you review the application and your district or school wellness policy, are you showing any gaps? If so, check out the Action for Healthy Kids Game On program. Game On is a free online program that provides best practices and resources you need to create a strong wellness program with the ultimate goal of becoming certified as a healthy school. Game On includes more than 45 Eat Better and Move More challenges that help your students, staff, and families eat healthy and be physically active. A few example challenges are listed on your screen related to nutrition education. Game On is easy to use and free to register. And here's a great way to learn more about Action for Healthy Kids and how you can get involved with our mission and our movement. Take the Every Kid Healthy pledge and help us create a 100,000 person movement to make all schools healthier places. It takes just 10 seconds. Once you've signed on, we'll show you ways, big and small, that you can turn your commitment to action. The next part of this mini webinar series focuses on smart snacks. If you're interested, please stop by our YouTube channel, Action for Healthy Kids. Thanks so much for your time today, and good luck with completing the rest of your HESIC SL application.